Hello everyone! Today we're walking through how easy it is to custom order a new vehicle from Lewis Ford. Visit lewiscars.com and find the New button on the toolbar. From there, choose to start your custom order, and you'll be taken to the order page with the full Ford lineup as you scroll down. You can choose to either start a custom order or reserve and save your spot on your desired vehicle. Once you click Start Your Custom Order, you'll be taken to the Ford website where you can choose a vehicle to your exact specifications. You'll start your build and pick out all the options. For the vehicles where the order banks are closed, you may choose Save Your Spot and fill out the simple form. From there, a member of our team will contact you to complete that part of the process with no obligation to buy or deposit required. Just hit submit and you'll hear from us shortly. To get in touch with us, it's 479-582-3160.